Did you know that artificial intelligence apps will generate dozens of new millionaires in the next year? Be one of them. Join our reseller program and launch your own software business effortlessly. When you sign up, we will hand you a copy of SocialPoster, our top-selling app. All you have to do is personalize it with your brand and colors. Set up your prices and membership policies, and start selling. All the customers you acquire will be 100% yours, building you a constant, reoccurring source of earning that will increase monthly as you obtain more and more subscribers, which will be quite easy considering all the advantages it has. Your clients will be able to connect to their own ChatGPT to answer their WhatsApp set keyword-based responses, manage multiple accounts in a single page, get notified when a user asks to speak with a human agent, and pause the bot temporarily to intervene in the conversation and close the sale. Additionally, SocialPoster includes several state-of-the-art tools to automate every step of their marketing campaigns, from producing the visuals with its Adobe Express integration to generating attractive captions using artificial intelligence, and programming the posts in multiple accounts at once. As it works with more than 15 different platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Google My Business, and Reddit. To help you kickstart your business from day one, we have multiple additional services available, including proven marketing strategies to attract your first customers, and a full stock of white label video tutorials to retain them. This life-changing opportunity is waiting for you. We only have a limited amount of reseller memberships, so take it before it's gone.